Hey guys, welcome back to Return to Alaska. Today we're going to go truck camping in minus 5 degree temperatures. First, we got to go to church though, so here we go.
Peace be with you.
Hello everyone.
Hello. So we're done with church, and Aurora, are you excited to go camping?
Yeah!
Minus 5 degrees?
Yeah!
How about Chance?
Oh yeah.
This is my buddy Chance, Aurora, and here we go.
This is Noah.
Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Return to Alaska. We've got a short hour and a half drive ahead of us up to the destination where we're going to go camping, where the temperatures are forecasted to reach minus 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Thanks again for joining along on this adventure. Well, are those good hammock trees for you?
Oh, there's plenty around here. If you're thinking about this as a spot, I am ready for it.
All right, we found our spot for the night. This looks like it. It's already got a nice little campfire ring and some hammock trees. And we're gonna cook up some good food and have a blast.
Oh yeah, maybe I'm not gonna be in the snow anymore.
Alright, some deer steak.
I just remember we would go camping and my dad would just give me
For this evening's dinner, we're cooking up some venison steaks that I got from the last year's hunting season. And we're also making jambalaya to go with it. Gotta admit, the food was so good. Aside from spending time with my youngest daughter and making memories in this winter camping trip and spending time with friends, this food was some of the best parts of the camping trip.
Lucky and Becca already had some pre-cut
What are they?
bell peppers.
Oh, I thought they were gummy bears.
I'm a gummy bear. Oh, you know what? Let me put this on.
And then put those in the coals.
I want this piece to go in the fire, but it's way too big. Can I go in them?
Now I've got to be honest with you. There's not really anything in this world that's much better than sitting around a campfire, eating good food, and hanging out with good friends and family you love. It's real moments like this that you really cherish.
Well, guys, it's 11:15 and I am tired, so I'm gonna get some sleep. We'll see you in the morning. Well, good morning, everyone. It is 7 in the morning. It's minus 4 degrees. I do not want to get out of this sleeping bag, but I'm gonna have to. My water is frozen, partially. Not too bad, but it is cold in here, and I am not ready to get out of this sleeping bag. It's still really cold, but got out of the truck, got the fire going, warming up a little bit, so we're good to go. Guys, our stuff is so frozen. Look at this. The eggs frozen solid. We'll have to figure something out. We gave up. We came out for breakfast. We're at Trudy's Kitchen in Idaho City. It's pretty empty, but they have really good looking pies. Alright, definitely looks better than what I would have made at the campground.
How is it, Noah? Good sandwich? You gonna make a jelly sandwich, Aurora?
Yeah, because I only have jelly
Okay.
and butter.
Alright, here we go. Aurora, how's your food?
Right?
Yeah? What's your favorite part? The egg?
The eggs.
Oh, yeah, they gave you extra eggs, huh? Chance, how's your food, buddy?
Great.
What's your favorite part?